Hey guys! Today we're going to color with these super cool 12 colored pencils. Let's pop the box open. Here we go! Let me show you these pencils up close. They look totally awesome, right? We've got a fun strawberry page to color today, so let's get started. Are you ready? Let's do it! I love playing with these pencils. Check out how they roll. There we go. Let's line them all up nicely on the side. Yeah, let's check out those tips. They look perfect. Which color should I pick first? Whoa, the tips are seriously cool. This is going to be so much fun to color. I am totally in love with these pencils. Alright, if you're ready, it's time to draw some strawberries. Let's go! First, we draw the stem and then the little leaves. Now, let's draw an oval shape for the strawberry and add some tiny seeds inside. Let's do another one to get some good practice in. Drawing the stem, the leaves, the body, and all the seeds. Keep practicing with me. Stem, leaves, body, and those seeds. You guys are doing great. The more we practice, the better our art gets, and it's going to look super neat and tidy. We drew 5 on top. Now let's draw 5 more at the bottom to get even better. Like I said, the more you draw, the better you get. That makes 10 strawberries in total. All right, time to color. We're going to make every strawberry a different color, but first, let's look at those pencil tips again. Seriously, I love them! This is gonna look awesome! Let's get them lined up. Strawberries are usually red or pink, but we're going to be super creative and color them all sorts of colors. If you're ready, let's start coloring. Come on, let's do this. While I color, you guys have to guess the color, okay? So what color is this strawberry? What color is that? You got it, it's red. A perfect red strawberry. Red strawberry. Can you guess this one? Which pencil am I using now? Nice job, that's pink. How about this one? Shout it out! Yes, you nailed it! It's purple! What color is this one? You're right, that's yellow. Guess this one. Come on, you can do it. Bravo, it's orange. We already did yellow. Let's pick a new one. What color is this? Shout it out loud. Yes, you got it. It's green. What color is this one? You guys are color experts. That's blue. Can you name this one? Whoa, you're on a roll. Amazing. Two more to go. Then we'll do something cool with the leaves and stems. You know this color, right? Yep, we used it before. It's pink again. Last one. Name this color. Once we finish this, you're officially a color master. That's dark blue. Now let's color all the leaves green real quick. If you guys love fruits, you can draw them too. Or if you just want to color, you can print these pages out. Any fruit, veggie, or cool thing you want? Let's color those stems. All right, say the colors with me. Ready? Red strawberry. Purple strawberry. Orange strawberry. Blue strawberry. Pink strawberry. Pink off. Yellow strawberry. Green strawberry. And a dark blue one. Awesome! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow along. See you later!